Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. We start with news from athletics as there were two Jamaican winners at Sunday's Wonder Diamond League meet in Stockholm, Sweden, as athletes continue to sharpen up ahead of the Olympic Games in Tokyo, Japan. Karen Madden reports.
National and world champion Tajay Gale battled through early foul trouble to take the men's long jump with a wind-aided 8.55 meters ahead of Cuba's Juan Miguel Echeverria 8.29 meters and Tobias Montler of Sweden 8.23. Meanwhile, national champion Natoya Gould 37.34. Yasmani Kopelo of Turkey was second in the season's best 48.19. Over in the women's 400 hurdles, national champion Janive Russell clocked 54.08 for fourth, while compatriot Leah Nugent was sixth in 55.01, behind the Femke Bol of the Netherlands in a national record 52.37. National champions Daniel Thomas Dodd and Frederick Dakers had to settle for two seventh-place finishes, with Thomas Dodd heaving 18.59 in the women's shot put event, while Dakers threw 63.57 in the discus. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.